What's going on today, guys? Thanks for tuning back in. Thanks for watching my video. This week I had something planned for you guys, but one of the ideas I had planned, the audio didn't really work out, and the other idea of the video, there were some mishaps in that, so we're changing it up today. I have been going to a lot of different meets. I went to a car meet hosted by Team Exit. That was awesome. I got a lot of really cool car photos. I'll throw some up on the screen somewhere. Here, yeah. Everything came out great. I got a lot of really positive feedback with that, and I appreciate anyone. If you are someone who was at that meet and you're watching this video, thank you for watching. What I do have planned today, instead of that, is I'm gonna wash the bike. The bike's really dirty, as you can probably see. She needs to be washed. You probably can't see too great from there, but she's definitely dirty. So we're gonna give her a good little wash. Okay. Now I've been struggling with my late night photography, all that stuff. I've been having to jack the ISO up, and that's kind of been making all my photos have a lot of noise. Obviously, if you know photography, that's one of the things. I didn't really know photography. I kind of picked it up as a hobby, so I've been learning as I go, but that's one thing I learned earlier on, so I decided to try something different. So I started doing some layering and light painting in order to get like a really good photo. So I'm going to post this photo that I took last night here in my garage, pitch black. But I did 2 photos in order to get that one compiled into that, and I think if I practice that more, I'll be able to get some really cool footage for a lot of these people at these meets. So that's pretty much the plan today. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna wash the bike, and we'll go from there. Now, when I wash the bike, it's not an expensive bike. I paid $4 grand for the bike. The bike's been stolen, it's been wrecked, it's been fixed. It's not perfect by any means. All I need is some warm water, a rag, and we're good there. Oh shoot, you're not really gonna be able to see it there. Let's ShamWow. If you know, you know. Let's wet her down real good. And then we'll suds her up and rinse her off. Tighten that. Now, when you wash your bike, it's probably always a good time to inspect your bike. I mean, you should be inspecting your bike every time before you even ride it, but the little things. to get some stuff to wash the bike. I won't lie. Just some nice brushes would be nice. Honestly, I'll say she probably ain't gonna get too much cleaner than that. Shit around pretty much the original Jordan towel. We've had this thing in the house for, dude, I don't even know how long. Literally something up like that. You're good. You're good. You can come back more if you want.
Turns it on.
What?
Turns it on.
No, it was on.
Was it on?
I mean, it didn't feel like full pressure, but it was on. I know you turned it off because I'm pretty sure at one point I tried to use it.
No, I turned it off, but I fill up for the fertilizer.
So you pretty much just forgot to shut it like I forgot to switch Grandma's bed back. You got stuff you need help carrying in?
Well, I'm coming from Ideones, right?
Mm-hmm.
You try to get on the parkway and there's oncoming traffic.
Yeah.
And then you're getting on.
Yeah.
On that on tour, whatever the hell it is. So this asshole, there's no stop sign for us to go past that stop sign for the oncoming.
Yeah.
And go right onto the parkway. This guy stops. He just stops.
Yeah.
And like freaking all the packages went flying in the front.
That's wild. I can't say I'm surprised. Gotta give you a hand. Not the melons.
Huh?
I said not the melons. Is that it? Just this other one? And ruined the shot. I knew I should have got that B-roll before, but that's okay. We'll still shoot some B-roll and show you the bike before we get ready to head out later.
Besides, I gotta lube the chain and crap like that anyways. This fairing is a little loose.
I am absolutely sweating. I think that's going to be it for maybe this part of the video, maybe this video in general. I appreciate you guys sticking around. I do have some more interesting content planned. Hopefully I'll get that all up within next week, but for now, I think that's a wrap, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. Thank you for everyone who has been tuning in to each and every video. At first it was 2, then it was 15, then it was like 40. So to those 2, 15, or 40 people, you guys mean the world to me. Even if it's for a couple minutes that you guys sit here and watch these videos, it's something that I enjoy doing, and the fact that you guys get to be along the journey with me is pretty awesome. So the day and age that we do live in, and being able to document and share everything with the people that you know, the people that care about you, the people that you care about, is honestly really awesome. So thank you again from the bottom of my heart. Everyone in the two-wheel community, 2 wheels down or 1 wheel up, whatever you prefer. But for me, it's going to be 2 wheels down, and we're going to keep it that way on the pavement. You guys have a blessed day. Take care. Make the most of it. Enjoy the rest of this riding season. It's coming to an end shortly, but we won't let that content stop there. We will keep going. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. Take care.